Oh fuck, I forgot. Shit. Uh. Erm. Hmm. Hello. I feel physically unwell. You've been waiting? Good. Wait more. Wait longer. Woof. Bark. Yeah, so yeah, you know. Yeah, dude. I'm so slow. Holy fuck. My brain is not working at all. That's cool. Well, we're not doing much today. Yeah, time wait. Listen, dude. Sometimes you waste time. That's how it is. We're not doing much purely because I literally cannot function. I want to make a gravestone. Hello, Pubert. Cuckarinos. What the fuck? I'll just code the game for. There's not much to do. Well, I mean, it's not a whole lot. I want to make a gravestone today so I can put the people's names in the game, and then I'm gonna just kind of hang around. My book came. I will look at my book probably, and then die. You know, that's. Am I being put in a gravestone? No, you didn't. No. No. Hi, good devs company. I'm struggling with my thesis. I don't know how good company I am right now, I'm gonna be honest. My nose is stuffy, my eyes are itchy, I'm tired as fuck. I feel like ass. But it is what it is. I forgot to start the timer, fuck. God damn it. The longer that this sucks. I wanna get out of here sooner. Anything that moves and makes a noise occasionally is good company. Might I suggest? Sorry, that was, you know, sometimes I'll start a joke, but I don't actually know what the joke is when I start the sentence. So I'll start a sentence, and then I'll get to where the joke needs to happen, and I won't have like. My brain is too slow. The processing didn't finish in time. Nothing came. No result happened once I reached that point, so oh well. I imagine I said, might I suggest, and then something funny. Haha. What you gonna do? It is what it is. This is true. This is accurate. Oh, I'm not goping. Shit. Oh, fuck. I'm not goping at all. There's no goping today. I'm gonna forget to change this shit, but I'm not coping. No, the reason why we're making gravestone today, and I'm like, ugh, I need to make a gravestone, is because that is how, how do I put it? What's the word for it? The top Patreon tier puts your name in the game, right? That is how that is functioning, in this game. Is there is a graveyard, and then you can read them. That is why, and I'm like, oh, you know what? I need to actually like put that in the game. Hello, Sun Wukong. I need to actually like get that going. I need to make that. So that's where we are. The main man, the myth, the legend himself, Sun Wukong. Hell yeah. I'm always here. He watches over us like a god, because, I mean, after all, he is Sun Wukong. I was actually gonna put you in a gravestone anyway. You and Trigger, I was gonna put as having gravestones because you guys have like donated a lot, so I think it's fair. I think it's fair. Fair is fair. Or our Lord and Savior L. Ron Hubbard. Perhaps. Perhaps, my friend, perhaps. Yeah. I got you. I forgot music again. God damn it. Every time. This stream is so good. I'm so good at what I do. That is so cool. Oh, yeah, you know, it might help if I turn that off. Nah, you should be able to hear music now. It's okay, I like the hum. There'll be no humming. No humming. Hello, Blossom Cherry Pink. Welcome to probably the worst stream I will have in a while. On account of the fact that I am horrendously sleep deprived, and will be doing one thing and then die. Oh, dude, my nose is so itchy. Holy fuck. Lore wise, I feel like shit. While you're not too busy, can I show you something silly I made a few days ago? Sure, man. Sure thing. Monkey. Tell me a joke, monkey. Oh shit, it speaks to me as well. Oh. What the fuck? But starting in 40 minutes, the global pandemic, nuclear destruction. The monkey told me a joke, but it was less of a joke and more of how he didn't want to be cryogenically frozen and how he was emotionally unequipped to deal with the future. Thank you, existential monkey. I appreciate it. Very cool. He was like, I don't wanna, don't freeze me. I will like have an existential crisis if I am taxed about with lasers and flying cars. I will not be able to handle it. As it stares at me with his eyeballs. That's a fair concern, Mr. Monkey. My monkey friend. Ugh. Hansavirus 2, yes, but worse. Because that was relegated to a ship. Yeah, well, maybe you should start winning. You ever think about that? Have you ever considered winning? I mean, hey, at least you make shit when you get bored. That's real as fuck. The Queen of Twitch is streaming tonight, and who's that? Yeah, see, that's all you needed to do, man. Hello, Yeserly. How you doing? I can give a very weird biological fun fact that shows that science is very serious. No funny business allowed. Go for it, my man. Tell me this fun fact of yours. Maybe the Queen of Twitch is you, Krolk. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's an accurate statement. I think that's a bunch of baloney. Your name resembles the Polish word for rabbit. Hold on, let me just see if I can... It's Polish, so it's like Russian, but soft. Krolik. How'd I do? How close was that? Good enough. Alright. Me and I play a bootleg game that's actually fun, but JK, it sounded like French. Fuck! See, I can't roll my R's. I would have rolled my R's for the R, but I can't. I'm unable. So imagine instead of like, it was a rolled R. R, maybe. Yeah, but that's not... It's not the same. Y'all are fiddly D. French. You are French. Stupid French egg. What the fuck? NUE3 cursed. I don't understand what I'm looking at. I'm looking at some freaky shit. I love how poppin' the YouTube is. I remember when I watched a rolled R tutorial and realized halfway that it's the way I already pronounced R's. It was very goofy. I told you you'd kill it. I'm balling. Hello, gleaming catastrophe. My lord. I'm still waiting for Will to give me his fun fact. I cannot wait. I'm on the edge of my seat. As my brain leaks out of my ears. So yeah, so today's stream is gonna be shorter. I'm gonna wait for the timer to go down. It's probably gonna be like an hour and a half total. Modeling a gravestone will take legitimately less than a minute. Let Will cook. For context, my thesis is about genetic modification in yeast. Yeast can copulate, and the process is officially called schmooing. It comes from a comic book character created in 1948, as it should. Sleep deprivation makes assets look insomnia. Well, that's the thing, is we're gonna make one asset. We're making one object. More than half the stream is probably gonna be the just chatting part of it. No assault, this is the greatest hedgehog fact. Fun fact, hedgehogs are only known predators of obese human scientists. True. Hi, the crinkler. Yo, what's up, you fucking French egg? Donka, yeah. Yeah. New slur just dropped. There's some more hair gone. Franch. I'm not talking to you, Croak. Who the fuck are you talking to? Hermit is here? Hermit's the crinkler? Hermit stole my name? Eat trees? What? The character looks like an obese pear now that term is used in very serious Nobel Prize winning articles. Good. Good. The way it should be. Obese. Yes. Eat trees. I would have to be obese to eat trees, to be fair. I feel like there's a lot of calories in trees. What are you planning on adding? When are you planning on adding the contest doggo croak? I don't know. I don't know. It's, probably next asset stream where I make assets. I'll start with the doggo. When the game is like functional, it's more like I'll probably add it next when I'm making assets again. It'll be good. I don't know. It's hard to say right now because my brain literally doesn't fucking work. I exist in the present moment, currently. Probably on Friday. Probably then. Probably Friday. Something like that. There's some good jazz. MC server when? When I die, probably. Ugh. I'm making you something for your stream. FYI. Like what? Kettle has me at gunpoint. Yeah. Kettle needs to be a big man and do it himself. Which one of you is Hermit? What the fuck are you talking about? Literally getting over it with Bennett Folly. Gleaming Catastrophe is Hermit? Gleaming is Hermit. Gleaming should change their name to Hermit. Yes, my Discord username matches. No, your username's Hermit, bro. What do I look like? Some kind of dumbass? The Discord ID is Gleaming? No. No. Nah, dude. You know this is incorrect because of how I said no. Yeah, look, it says, I click on your name and it says, Hermit, the frog. So, we talking about facts. Let's just say I am making a Snapple fact, Jason. Yes. I like Snapple fact. I'm somehow not convinced. They're Hermit the Frog, dude. I didn't say it. They said it. Are you enjoying the YouTube video making? Sometimes. Sometimes. On a scale of 1 to 10, how sleep deprived are you at the moment? Quite. Probably. Probably at like a 9. I slept like 3 hours and then I got up, sat here for an hour, and then started streaming. And even when I did, like, yeah, no, I'm pretty out of it. If you make a small app that will use the JSON, you can have it. Oh, true. True. Yandere Fent. That's me. That's me as I fucking slump over and die. Yeah. Fuck, dude. My book came. My book is here at some point, so probably when the stream ends, I will go get my book, and then I will peep my book. I'll peep that shit. I'll be like, whoa, sick! I can read the words. That's way better than the scans online. That's crazy. You know? What book did I get? I got, Game Programming Gyms. I did not get AI for games. That's not the book. That book is expensive. I'm broke. I pirated that book. Yeah, so you're wrong. The book is, Game Programming Gyms. You're gonna keep waiting for that then. That's never gonna happen. It's a very copyrighted character. He is a fake fan. He messages me how much he hates me. he tells me that he wants to kill me in DMs, like, constantly. It's pretty wild. He has no fans, it's only haters. Kinda. My fans, do be shitting on me quite frequently. It's pretty funny. But yeah, no, the scans of this book are, like, such shit. It's literally illegible. It's pretty cool. I hate you so much. Thank you, Michael. I love you too. His fans are the ones who bully him the most. Bully, probably, but definitely not the most negative. Definitely not the most negative. I think on my first video, the one that like kind of blew up real big, I had like there was several people who wrote like multiple paragraph long comments about like literally just being like, you're gonna fail and this is why. I've written an essay for you. And I'm like, cool. I think I read like one paragraph each and then I just stopped. And I was like, alright. I'm glad you put in all this effort, but I'm not reading that. I'm here to call you names. Sorry, Jimmy here is if he was in a computer science class. Add that to the list of people I've been compared to. I am Mini Minute Man. I am Bootleg Pirate Software. I sound like Christopher Walken somehow. I somehow sound like Markiplier, Moist Critical, and also Christopher Walken. Apparently. Review the essays or rank them? Nah. I got a comment that was like, you are going to fail, and it was like 2 sentences long, and I'm like, dude, you gotta step up the effort, man. 2 sentences? I have people writing 7 paragraphs. You gotta, some lame, dude. Get good, get better. I expect more. Low effort comment, very lame. Print out the comments and frame it on your room divider. You fucking put it on this thing. Just have them there. This thing is farther away than it looks. There you go. There's no real passions if you're in a couple sentences when you've seen the paragraphs. Yeah, exactly. I've seen like how good it could be. And that just wasn't it. My last video is done terribly. I thought the video was alright, but it was like the algorithm did not give a fuck about that video. It did super poorly. It's because I watched it. Sorry, yeah. Blame him. It's YouTube for you, fat chud. Why would you say that about Michael? What did Michael do to you? Yeah. No, I think it's because I added too many ads. I think it's because I had too many ads in that. I accidentally put in more ads than I felt like it, than I wanted. And then I just kept them there because I'm like, that's funny. It didn't appear to impact watch time, to be honest, but at the same time, also it probably did. It also wasn't the most funny video in the world. It very much was me just like talking about shit. This next video has more jokes. I've written more jokes. I need to record it. That's like the thing I'm doing like after stream is recording that so then I can edit it tomorrow and then get it out on Friday. Only ads next time. Yeah, just 50 billion years. How my ADHD ass still here? There's nothing happening yet. What is going on? We're just hanging out, dude. We're just hanging out. Hydrate now. Dude, do you understand how much fucking effort it is to leave my room when this fucking piece of shit is like blocking the only exit? How are you making money from YouTube? Ads, my friend, ads. There are ads. I got a email fucking like half a month ago about a potential sponsorship that they never responded past the initial email, so that was cool. That was pretty sick. I should message. I should be like, hey, I need to make. The good thing is I have like videos planned. So it's okay. Is the money worthwhile or getting there? The money is okay, given that it's like I only started earning not that long ago. The money's alright. Given that like the video that blew up literally made like fucking nothing because there's no back pay. So it blew up, and that video blowing up allowed me to start making money, but I made no money off of that video. I made like dick off from that. But given that like I started from like 100 subs, and I like, you know, didn't make a lot of money for a lot of that, and then started to make money, it's okay. It's acceptable. Is it amazing? No. No. Is it livable? Also no. Is it acceptable given the circumstances? Yeah. Put Minecraft in the thumbnail with yellow text next time. You're so real. I will attract YouTube snot brains losers to click on the video and then immediately click off. It'll be sick. No, I imagine the next 2 videos will do okay. You will attract kettle. I will. I will. I will. This is accurate. Put dream in the thumbnail and title and never mention him in the video. It's so true. That's so real. Now you gotta do the dream face reveal. I really should. At 50k, I'll do that. At 50k, we'll get to pet a real monkey. I don't want to. Here's the thing, right? I have zero urge to pet a monkey. I, in fact, would be very afraid of the monkey. The monkey would freak me out. Sorry, while I am sitting here, I figure I should make the dialogue stuff for the gravestone, because that's really easy. And it's also like not interesting to watch. So you're not losing out on anything, trust. It's me connecting 3 nodes together. Downvote. Yeah. The last time I went to India, I saw a gang of monkeys rob a woman of all her belongings. Thank you, Puber. I appreciate that. It's an epic anecdote. Hell yeah. You're sorry? Gang of monkeys. Wow, dude. Wow. It's not cool, man. Bigotry's not okay. You can't be racist in my chat, bro. You're getting timed out for a minute. You know the rules, and so do I. 5 minutes. Be gone. Disappointing. Wearing a beanie in summer is diabolical. It's to keep the fucking hair out of my face. Not even worth the bug room. You know, Krolk hates 2 things: racism and polls. What the fuck? Can you time me out as well, Krolk? I did nothing wrong. I just want to be. No. No, sir. I will not time you out. You have to be here. I'll start to insult you. That's fair. That's pretty fair, man. Krolk stream are oofs. Yes. This is accurate, dude. This is a very accurate statement. Oops. Oh, whoops. Oopsie. See, I just wanted to sync that. Oh, you guys can't see shit anyway. Haha. Cool. I don't know how a Jason can consistently stream 10 to 12 hours every day. My brain would literally be put in the first week. I think it's because he has to, or else he will become broke. I don't know how he streams games for that long. I think I would just get bored out of my fucking mind. Like, he plays like one game for hours, and I'm like, I don't know how you could do that. That's the part I don't understand. I saw my reflection, and how was it? Good or bad? Beautiful? Hell yeah, dude. You are bonita. Liar. Driving himself to madness is a hobby, truly. Bananas bonita as Krolk. Brother, are you looking at me? Oh, you know what I'm not doing? I'm not recording the stream. Fuck. I mean, cryogenic. If I don't record the stream, I can't record timestamps. So if anything funny happens, I won't be able to just have a timestamp for it. Yeah, I'm truly bonita. I mean, have you seen me? It's beautiful. Truly beautiful. Radiant, even. Absolutely stunning. The undead yearn to be you. You look like you want to die. No, I'm more in the process of actively dying. You're having too much pho. He's rizzing, as the kids say. I don't think that's accurate. I don't think that's true, dude. Fun. Hee hee ha ha. New Age Ruler, yeah, I don't. I'm kind of like in the process of dying, so I don't know. Fuck. Damn it. Ugh. That's what makes it better? That death riz. You know what's fair? You know what's fun though? You know what's real? I have dying man riz. I swear to God it's true. Every time I'm like actively fucking dying, women. It's real. You know? I will not elaborate. Click. The riz only possessed by those on the verge of death for real. On God. On God. The ladies love cancer. So true. There's nothing hotter to a woman than a man dying of incurable diseases. The women are the ants in his room. That's so true. If you just believe the vile filth around you is a good thing, then, you know, shit, maybe it is. Who knows? Could be. Could be. Me when testicular cancer? Oh, they love that woman. Women love men with testicular cancer specifically. That's like their favorite. Nothing hotter to a woman than a man with testicular fucking tumor nuts. The bulging tumor nuts is truly the hottest thing a woman can see. See? Case in point. Case in point, dude. Grapefruit-sized tumor. The biggest nuts with the most cancer gets the girl. This is a fact. You can deny this. You can deny reality all you want, but it's a fact. The dude with the biggest cancerous nuts gets the girl. That's how it works. It's not whoever's fastest. It's not who runs good. It's not who looks good. It's whoever has the most fucking basketball grapefruit tumor nuts. That's what girls like. This is a fact. You should listen to me. I'm correct. It's all about who has trench foot. No, women don't like rotting feet. They like tumor nuts. John Dev level opinion. That is no, if it was a Yandere Dev stream, I would need to like have a picture of Samus in the corner and I would need to like bring them down and like kiss the air at them. Then I could become Yandere Dev. Lick it? Yeah, something like that. I feel physically ill right now. It's actually bad. I just got nauseous out of nowhere. That's pretty sick. Yeah. I love coding. I love doing. Then go sleep. The nausea has nothing to do with the sleep. It has to do with the fact that I haven't eaten enough. It is what it is. Snack time? No, you wish. Nausea comes from lack of sleep too. It's probably dying twink Riz. On God, you're a little behind, but you got the spirit. You got the spirit. Take a Dramamine? I don't know what the fuck that is. Hello. Hello, Uber Schlagen. It's because of the testicular cancer. Oh, the tumor is draining me of my nutrients to have the fattest nuts. Duh, suffering from success. Or yeah, eat something though. Something like that. Big Kroll, can you say bottle of water? Yeah, I can say bottle of water. The T's become D's. I'm not British. I'm not gonna say a bottle of water. Hello, mate. Fucking bottle of water. Yeah, I got sleep. Don't believe anyone who says otherwise. Yeah, bottle of water, man. I mean, periodically you'll see me like cut my tees. It depends on where it is though, cause New England. Sometimes the T's become D's. Sometimes they get removed entirely. It's, you know, it's the way it is. How do you say, I say caramel. But I'm lazy, and caramel is too much. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Mayo de Noche. You say Kramer? What? Mayo de Noche. It's 10 out of 10 word. I have a lens for my camera that I literally cannot use because I got it on eBay, but I thought it was the right mount, but I was wrong. It was like a Nikon EF mount, but I have a fucking Sony E mount, and I was like tired when I got it, so it's fucked. And they're so close, they're so similar, but just not quite. But they're so close. I mean, it sucks because I got it because I'm like, oh, it's sick, you know. A zoom lens. Yeah, I need to get an adapter, but like, I don't have the money for that right now. It just kind of blows because I wish I could use it. Because you can do some cool shit with that. He's dorking the lens. Yeah. Yeah. Live. Live on camera. You got the source code of Vostok? I've never even heard of that. Is that good? Should I toast? Should I make a toast for you getting the source code of Vostok? Google it? Man. Vostok is a type of spacecraft built by the Soviet Union. So it's, yeah, it looks good. Men are always jorking the lens, but never producing the negative, Sag. That is not the right camera for that. I have a film camera, and I've used it. I have several rolls of film. I have a Asahi Pentax. It's a good camera. How powerful is Godot? I want to start making games. It's pretty good. It's pretty sick. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty radical. It's a game about nothing. It's a game nothing about spaceships. I don't know. It's named after one. If there was no spaceships, why is it named after it? Riddle me that, Batman. Alright, anyway. I gotta open up Blender. Godot's pretty good to start with. Unreal Engine is slop, Unity is slop, everything else is kind of slop. It's more or less accurate. Because I misspelled it? Nope. I think that's just what it is. It's as powerful as Unity, but inverse of 3D, 2D in performance. I disagree. The 3D performance is perfectly fine. Older Godot sucked at 3D, that's true. Good modern Godot is perfectly fine. I apparently have do not have a fuck it thing for Blender, so I have to make one. Hehe. So this will be literally 1 second. The stream is it's probably gonna be ending pretty soon. Cause there's like basically nothing that I'm doing today. I'd like to actually go and make like, what's it called? Yeah, we did it. Oh, good job, gang. Food? No, make the graveyard, but I literally like am barely conscious. So what I'll do is I'll shit. Yeah, fuck it, we'll save the blend file. I need a better place to store this shit. Gravestone. Dot blend. And then I need to export the GLB. Where's my preset? No, not import, export. Don't export material, don't do any of that shit. Include selected objects. Nice. Sure. There you go. Resources, 3D models. Hello, Booey. Hello, Rouge. Hi, how's it going? Gamble Master. Oh, little Rouge. Bro, why is it never me? My Twitch is already Pip in the corner, and then Krolk is in the corner. Hell yeah. I love picture-in-picture. Well, I plan on starting off 2D, so that's fine. Yeah, you'll be good with Godot. Godot is good for 2D or 3D. I'm making 3D game. It's perfectly fine. It's really like, I don't know. Old Godot had issues with it apparently, but modern 4.6 coming on 4.7. There's no issues with 3D. It's genuinely perfectly fine. Scene, new scene. Gravestone. Eventually I'll have, like, what I'll do for the gravestone, right, is right now I'm just gonna have the one, but I'll make multiple models. Probably based on, different shit. This is really big. Nope. Probably, let's see, the full size is 2 meters and I want it, how big is a gravestone? Like, probably 0.15. To be like 1.5 feet-ish, give or take. 3 feet tall is not standard. You're insane. That is not correct. There's 0 chance 3 feet tall is standard. Yeah, you should go all in. I want to watch this though. Hold on, let me watch. Hold on. I want to see this. I want to see you lose everything. Yeah, I don't care about Kettle. Fuck Kettle. Sylph went all in and won everything. Good job. I'm proud of you. Egg. Very well done. You show Kettle who's boss. You dom Kettle. No, actually, I regret my choice of words. Anyway. Yo, what's good, my favorite Imperial Gothic game dev? I'm dying. I'm dying. Thank you for regretting. Hey, listen, I did not get a whole lot of sleep. Thanks for regretting this shit, Kronk. I regret you. In general. Fuck. I can't. This is wasted. Don't save. Interact. Shit. New scene. Other node, interactable. Now I add gravestone.glb. Or do I? How do I have this shit set up again? I have this set up in such a fuck-ass way. I'm not gonna fix it today, but like what I really need to do is have the interactable and then the object interact. Like it should be the child, and I have it set up as like getting the parent right now. That is actually fucking brain dead. That is so fucking stupid. What I could get is like, is thing interactable, and then if it is, fix it today. I'm too fucking tired. I'm not fixing it today. Fix it? No. Literally just no. I just won't. That's stupid as fuck though. I'm literally making a note of this so I can like have it on a timestamp of recording. How do I give Kettle a single doubloon? I don't remember. Ask someone else. Minecraft server, donate more to make Minecraft server happen. I looked into it. It's not. It's fucking too expensive for me right now, but it's doable eventually. Yandere. Make it a Patreon tier. I will pay. I swear to fucking God. You are the only one. You are the only one. That's like, I'll do this. Listen, how about this, okay? We have the Ko-fi. We have the fuck, I forgot to turn that shit on. We have the Ko-fi. If we make the Ko-fi, if we get to that, I'll make a Minecraft server, okay? How's that sound? If we reach the Ko-fi goal, we'll do Minecraft. This engine, you would shit your pants at Unity or Unreal. They're both way more complicated than this. This is, again, you need to just start simple. It's easy if you know what things are, but that's, you know, like, you have your thing, you have your source tree, you have your code, you have your 30-bit. Hello, Sneebo. I do modded Minecraft. I like to create mods. Well, if we hit the Ko-fi goal, we'll do Minecraft. But that's like bare minimum. That was like the bare minimum I would need to hit to be able to like do that genuinely. Hold on, I forgot to start the Ko-fi donation thing, which is an issue because that is text to speech. Where the fuck did I put it? Shit. Stream bar goal. There you go. What happens when you click 2D? Nothing. There's nothing 2D here. But if we had like the end of day screen, the 2D stuff shows up in 2D. But in 3D, there's there's nothing because there's nothing 3D. There's no 3D nodes in here. It's just 2D stuff. 2D's not UI. UI is UI. 2D is 2D. UI is 2D typically. But you could definitely have 3D UI if you were doing some like VR shit. Yeah, there's 2D games, brother. There's not UI. Sonic the Hedgehog is not UI. 2D and UI are two separate things. UI is control nodes. This is a control node. Control node, control node, control node, control node. The reason being is that these are all UI. Well, in the context of a 3D game, 2D is kind of UI. What if it's a loading menu minigame? What if I have a minigame in my 3D game, The minigames are probably going to be 2D, and you know what? They won't be UI. You smell of piss and shit. Anyway. I had it right the first time. Gravestone. Add an interactable. Shit, I need to make this. It has to be fucking. Fuck. Why the fuck did I call this shit? What does it run? Object interact. Interact. And this needs a add child node. Needs one of these. Believe it's that one. This is gonna need an how the fuck do I do an oh god, this sucks. How do I do an export of just a JSON file? It's like what? Export, right? Gravestone. I'm going to sleep. Good night, dude. Gravestone. Dialogue. Drawing Carnagorm Formland lustrous right now. I missed some context, but maybe I agree on the pit. The pit? The pit? What pit? The worm pit? The worm pit in the graveyard where you can throw things? Bodies? How do I make a... Oh, I have to build it. That's right. I hate that I have to do that. And now it's frozen. Sick. Yeah, don't save. Just get rid of that. Method must have a return type. Oh, true? True? You're so real? How do I just do it, JSON? It doesn't support JSON. But GD supports JSON. Like, this is a GD, like how Node 3D is. It's a Godot. Like, Godot, you can do, like, an export JSON. Like, look. Fuck. Like, right here. Add export var dic JSON. JSON. Well, I guess you can't see the menu that shows up here, but trust, there's a menu here and it says JSON, and I can quick load. And I can put like npc manifest.json. What the fuck is a JSON? JSON is a file type. Don't worry about it. It's not important for this. It's just how I'm storing. It's how this it's storing information. Use Godot. Is it Godot? Would it be? Do I do this for the exporting? I already don't remember. I need to Google. I need Google this. Godot C# how to have a JSON file export. Okay, well apparently it was in fact more complicated than that. Apparently it's this. This is how we do JSON. Hey, then it runs. Cool. Well, it's trying at least. JSON file path. Then we can. The reason we need this is so that we, when we instantiate a gravestone, I can just supply it with the proper thing. Ko-fi not working for me? Shit. Let me see. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Fuck. I forgot to enable TTS. I have to open that.
TTS enabled.
My shit is fucked up. Hold on. Let me read your shit. Let me fucking go to you specifically. Let me see what's up. I mean, it won't let me donate. You hit one time, brother. You clicked on the one time. I don't know what you mean. Maybe you're broke. True. True. Accurate, just like me. You should start with the Brackeys tutorials. I recommend you do that. Dorohedoro is legit the only anime I've seen where every character could be a lead for their own series. Dorohedoro is an okay anime. The manga is really good. I recommend it. The art in the manga is crazy good. I'm not, like, having watched the anime and then reading the manga, I look back at the anime and I go, wow, they really just, they didn't do a good job. It doesn't translate the 3D very well at all. Season 2 shaping up than Season 1, but still not perfect. I didn't even know they were making a Season 2. I should watch that. I need to look at the docs. Man, fuck, what the, God, Calendar. No, it's not calendar, it's yearbook. That's what I called it. Oh, it's not yearbook either, it's, basement. Something like that. Maybe I could just call that with the... Could I just call that with the gravestone? Could I just paste it in here like that? Cause the story flow thing takes a weird, that's not what I want, shit. Fuck. Then it doesn't want the .json, which is super strange to me, but that's how it is. Then that's JSON file path. Spectre might be there. What? Oh, sure, yeah. Game manager. Oh, to Google again. Good C#, how to access global script. Sleep deprived asset, yeah. Get an auto load named global. Sick. God, see, I need to, you can tell I'm fucking, it's not even, var, no, get that. Would it be var? Does var exist? And that, I mean, that's how you would, I guess. Shit, I don't know. var may only appear Look up. $17. 9, what? And these? Global class. Get node. Just get the node, brother. What the fuck is happening? No, that's where the types are kept. The fuck you talking about? I'm so fucking tired. I'm too tired for this shit. What? You're writing a var outside of a function. When you define a class, you define its function types and default values. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm in a function, brother. Or I'm in a class. Yeah, but I need it to be in global scope so I can use it here. This is how we can kill Krolk. You need it somewhere else, like ready. I don't. I just want the fucking node, man. Suddenly I donate 50k. Please don't. I'm so tired. I'm barely functioning as is. Yeah, it won't let him. You can define an empty Godot node and then... Then I can't use the whatever, the var anyway. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Get UI manager. Does not contain. By 50k I mean 50 kroner. Hell yeah. Public global. Var global. Brother, you're talking to a man who doesn't know what the fuck he's doing. I hate this. I'm so tired. I'm so, like, not comprehending anything that's happening. I typed public, you schmuck. Public? Why would I have Godot.node if it's gonna be a fucking var? Why am I typing multiple types? There's, like, why? Like, I can't use var. It doesn't work. I'm so done with this right now. I so am, like, not caring. It doesn't work. None of it works. It's all broken. I genuinely do not fucking care. I just want to have this shit. I don't fucking care. Why are you being so fucking annoying? Holy shit. What the fuck is this? Ah. Either I get this done in 15 minutes or I don't. That's how it's gonna be. I need to, like, you know. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get the global variable called game manager so I can call a function on game manager. It is being gay. You're right. I agree. Maybe it works. Uh-huh. Godot.node is the type. Like int or fucking double. Except coward? What? Oh, but it does. Oh, but it does. Game manager.gd. Get UI manager. Oh, but it do. Public game manager global. I feel joyous. How to get an auto load in C# in Godot. Cool. This has been a good experiment. Very epic. Me when I'm crank and don't get enough sleep, I'm just like tired and now just irritated. So when I get annoyed, my immediate reaction is like to not talk. That is like just a habit I've developed over the years, is if I'm angry or annoyed, I just don't talk. Hello Krolk and chat, I just had an intoxicated revelation. Do tell. You should bitch and whine. Bitch and whining is when you say things you shouldn't. So like over the course of living life, whenever I'm just like annoyed or angry, I just like I'll get talking and then I'll like eventually I just like stop and then I leave. Fun fact: Krolk has bitten more New Yorkers in the ocean than sharks have been in Texans in New York. The fuck? He is seething. I'm just fucking. I just want to do like literally. This is it. This is all I was doing. And it's like making everything really fucking difficult. And I'm just too tired and I can't be fucked. Well, you can while the gifted is still there. It'll run out. Give it time. Fun fact, he can't be fucked. That's how it feels, man. Basement. Look, I literally, like, I'm not functional right now. It's like literally, it's not a joke. Something of this stream, we realized that Krolk looks like if Abby Shapiro was the trans man egg to the most beautiful, deep-voiced, and thick-eyebrowed girlie you've ever seen. I don't like the words you just said to me. I dislike the thing you said. I love you, Pubert. I too love Pubert. Yeah, that's how it looks when Krolk is ugly and stupid. You're lame and stinky, and you smell of fish and beef. Anyway, if this doesn't work, we call it a day. And we go, you can't win them all, and we move on. Well, where the fuck is it? Why is it the size of a flea? Why is there nothing? now what? Oh, it's because I didn't add the fucking model. I'm gonna put that. Sorry, I needed to. That's just a good game dev moment. So what game dev is? I need to have like a compilation of like, this is what game dev is like, where it's me being like, alright, in theory this should work, and then it's just like absolutely fucked. And I go, oh, that's not right. Basement. Yep, there we go. That's large. Yeah, I didn't resize it. This needs to be, I think I said like 0.15. Alright, it's a bit small. Maybe like 0.35. Yeah, that's about right. Maybe even a she's in the ground right now. She goes, oh my god, I don't care. Oh my god, I don't give a shit. The soy flow component, I will end you. Go away. I do like eating soup. This is an accurate statement. Holdra. Oh my god. What? Alright, well, we tried, guys. We tried. You know, we gave it a go, but apparently, the game is now broken for literally no reason, so, yeah, that's sick. I love that. That's awesome. I don't even know. I couldn't fix this if I wanted to right now. We tried. Yeah, that's, there you go. What's up? Nothing's up. I'm tired and I can't fix this shit and I'm too annoyed and, we gave it a shot. Oh well. Womp womp. The stream is over now. This is done. I'll see you guys on Friday. Can't win them all.